Today, we're going to look at how to reverse park between cones. If you have limited space within the parking bay itself or in the car park in general, the most common mistake is to start turning the steering wheel without first turning the car's body. In this case, you'll need more time and maneuvers to park. In this video, we'll break down reverse parking in just 3 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Position yourself correctly near the parking space. Your right-hand wing mirror should be aligned with the right-hand cone of the parking space. Step 2. Turn the wheels fully to the left and move slowly until you can see the right-hand cone of the parking space in your right-hand wing mirror. Step 3. Turn the wheels fully to the right. Put the car in reverse and move slowly until your car is aligned with the parking space. Once the car is aligned, you should stop and straighten the wheels, then slowly drive into the parking space. Congratulations! You have successfully parked. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.